Yo, it's Sectron, back again, covering My Hero Academia 298. Remember, 297. I did not make a video, did not cover it, but huge stuff. Tartarus Prison Break. One for All's out. Muscular's out. I don't know if they got Kurogiri, but you got to assume they got Kurogiri, man. Why wouldn't you grab Kurogiri out of that bitch? Anyway, nonetheless, there's also some other people I ain't naming, but yeah, one of them I can't even remember his name, sadly. But I don't even think I saw him either in the chapter. It was some mysterious lady. I don't know who she was, but she was in several panels. Anyway, let's get on to 298 because we're pretty much picking up right after there. But we do have this little bit of I don't know. We'll cut back to it. This is basically what this is, because this is a little bit of a flashback, and there's also a flashback within the flashback. Or this isn't really. I mean, no, that's not fair to say. Okay, there's this thing that happened. It's not really a flashback. It's just showing you that it happened, I guess. And there's a flashback before that happens. Do you see the guy in the middle of the screen who is dead as of now? All right, pay attention. Anyways, yeah, they're bickering. It's the League and the Liberation before they were the Paranormal Liberation Front, whatever army. So yeah, they're bickering there. What's important here is the second panel. You got us to thank for your big boss Baldy being here in this hideout and not zonked out in the hospital bed. So, two things here. They're obviously mentioning like Jigaraki didn't kill the dude, Redestro. But pay attention. It's just the fact that twice is in the middle of this page. Pay attention to these words at the bottom. President of Denatrat. Denatrat. I haven't said that word in a minute. That was the face I showed to the world at large. So we've got Redestro talking. And after relinquishing command of the army, he took on a new leadership role on the road to revolution. He said, I've always worn these two faces. Ever since our holy war in Deca City, there have literally been two of me. Boom. So, I missed something there I didn't cover. You probably just saw the words. While the Jakku hospital raid was happening, this is at the Detonator building, I believe. I said, imagine my delight. You came to me with that joint development proposal. I knew you people at the Safety Commission always had your eye on us, but when at last I was led to believe that you couldn't ignore our products anymore, both my faces were overcome with joy. Short-lived though it was. But to come at us with such fire and brimstone, well, isn't this the system you built up, your law and order? Yes, I suppose it was necessary. But we seek order. Without order, true freedom, through liberation, the seeds are already sown. And the duplicate seems to disappear. So yeah, the Safety Commission came after Redestro. Just we might want to keep that in mind. More accurately, they didn't go after Redestro. They went after the Detonator because yeah, they suspected something. Rightfully so. Yes, now we begin. 6 hours after the attack on Tartarus. We've got Xian prison, or Cheyenne. Middle of the night here, 3:06 a.m. They raiding Bagu Prison, 3:55. We raiding Kuin, 4:30. We raiding all the prisons. So, OFA grabbed this dude in the last chapter. Kind of grabbed him hostage. He said the use of emergency aircraft require official biometric ID to operate. So he had to grab somebody to be able to fly equipment. So apparently there's multiple planes here. So, or these helicopters. Maybe they're more helicopters, military style helicopters. They're fancy though. So yeah, the escaped prisoners and the near high ends proceeded to attack 7 other prisons, freeing additional convicts from 6 of them. Only 6 of them? Only 6 of the 7 did they release convicts. What's up with number 7? And we've got Shiggy talking, but it's not Shiggy. There, the groundwork is laid. What a thrilling day we've had. Sudden rash of violent escapees should hamper the authorities pursuing me. And now would you good people be so kind as to stand guard while this body rests? Spinner was like, we got along more than I thought. Bonded over gaming and stuff. Who are you? You're not the guy I agreed to follow. Have no fear. I hold the greatest respect for Talmaro's will. This body simply needs time to rest and be perfected. But once it is, our desires will come to fruition. Yeah, man. Interesting. So, 2 days later, we've got the man, Koski Bosk. Oh. I couldn't spit it out. He's finally woke up, had a hole in his gut, you know. This dialogue is probably so much different than what I read the other day. Is Central Hospital best place for state of the art, top of the line medical care? Yeah. We got all the people in here. So asking questions. What about Deku and Todoroki? Sensei, Senpai, Endeavor? Worrying about everybody. Ooh, we're in Doritos. Hooked up. Aizawa. It's got his leg. I'm bandaged up. Is this guy like a dinosaur or is he a bird? The doctor. It threw me off. Interesting. But yeah, it's like you would have been much worse off if you didn't get it, if you'd gotten attention later. And these two are pretty much ignoring the doc. But yeah, even Kayama. Why? Poor Midnight. How are the kids? Yeah. Oh. Todoroki. Poor little Shoto. Not much going on here. Uh-oh. The people. Are you affiliated with Endeavor? What's his status? You must know. Blah, blah, blah. Everyone's dying to know about his connection with Dobby. When can we expect a press conference? That one is the root cause. His shining light beckons the dark. It precipitates our demise. It's just Shoto monologuing in his head. This man shook. He got burnt to shit. Flames are stronger than Dad's. Couldn't win with my firepower alone. So strong, with flames full of hate. He's been watching us this whole time. All to bring down Dad. Wrecking his own body along the way. And not giving a damn whose lives get ruined in the process. He's basically me. He was also burning with rage up until that day. His dad can't do it. I have to be the one to handle my brother Toya. Shoto has some visitors. Natsu, I can't remember her sister's name, and I believe that is a mom's. Oh, they mentioned his throat's all burned. He can't talk. Bakugo. He's like, no, man, I'm going to see everybody. Shut up. Netta and Sarah trying to stop him. No, it's not Sarah. What's his name? Sarah was down there. I can't remember this dude's name. I know he's got the sweet street. I don't remember the name. Young Midoriya. He's shown no sign of waking up. Dream World. Dobby's flames. They kicked his ass. This man is down. He gonna need like weeks of rest. Probably. I don't know. And then he's just gonna randomly wake up, you know. Because of something happening, not up here in his head, but more so the dream world. So yeah, that's my hero. 298. Really approaching 300. What's coming? I wonder if Horikoshi has anything planned for 300. Probably does now. Just the way he's laid out these past few chapters. It's interesting. Okay, they did get him out of the marble. This is just what I was thinking of. As I saw more on him, I was like, wasn't he in marble when they left? Maybe the marble just like disintegrated. I don't know how that works. But yeah, he was in one of the compressors of marbles. Whatever the hell they are. But anyway, yeah. That's it. Thanks for tuning in. I will try to do a better job of actually rereading the Viz release if I'm going to wait until that's what I'm looking at in the future. Sorry about this. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a good one. Peace.